today we're bringing Murray to Petco, and whatever he touches, we donate. I think he's sleeping, so let's go get him ready. Hi, Murray. Are you ready to go? My favorite. Riley didn't hear anything. So let's get him ready.
Murray, are you ready? Are you ready to go to the pet store? Let's go! Yeah. Come on! Come on down. Yeah. Are you ready? Okay. Are you ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Are you jealous? He's like, nope. Twinkie, are you jealous? Say nope. Are you ready for your adventure? Are you ready to go, Molly? Are you ready to go?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Okay, we're ready to go. Murray! Murray, are you ready? Molly, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, we are on our way to the pet store to have Murray pick out some toys for his fluffy friends. We'll see you there. We are here at Petco. I think he's ready. He's clawing to get out. He's like, let me out, let me out. I want to go shopping.
Sorry.
Are you ready? Yeah.
Murray, you ready?
You ready, Mur?
You ready?
Ready to go shopping?
Yeah.
Yes, he is. All right, we're going to get him out and in the store.
Yeah.
And we're going to see what he picks. See the video.
He's so excited. We're almost in Petco. Yeah.
Ready?
Ready?
He's like freaking.
Okay, guys.
Bye, what do you got? What is your nose sniffing? Oh, don't touch that.
Just did.
You got it.
We have to buy the ladder.
Where are we going? Oh, you looking at the ferrets? We can't buy ferrets to donate, Murray. No. Silly boy. Can't donate ferrets.
Mysterious bird.
Yeah, or I know he's going for the birds too. Where are we going to donate, Murray? Oh no, Molly! He touched something. Oh, we gotta buy another one. Oh, Murray, did you like that? Where are you going? What are you doing, Murray? Oh, you can't go underneath there, silly. Uh-oh. Oh, there's the ball. Just stay at one ball. He touched one ball. Do you want to go get a cart? Here she comes. Say hi. There's Molly. We made it to the kitty section. She's got, uh-oh, Molly, he touched that.
Which one?
That right there. Yep. Where are you going? Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no! Oh, that's a donation. Oh, my goodness. Look at that.
He just wants it.
Good job, Mur.
Murray, do you want to come up here?
He's donating a big one. Oh, and another one.
Do you like him, Murray?
I think he likes that. He's like, I kind of like this. Oh, let me test it out. Are you testing it out, Murray? The best way to, right? Well, I guess we're buying a cat tree, huh, Mur? Pass the Murray test. Sorry, Mur. Oh, he just touched that with his
This
nose.
one?
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna lift you up, Murray.
Wait, Mur.
We're back.
Okay. Oh no. Oh no. You're in the dog treat aisle now. Oh, we touched something, Maul. We got something. Do you like that? Did you touch that with your nose? Yeah. Oh my goodness, Murray. That is big. That's too big for you.
Look at this.
Holy cow, Mur.
Murray,
Well, there's nothing there.
just try to look it up there.
Yeah, he's got it. Oh my goodness. I know, right? Ooh, look at the cart. He did good for the first time in a pet store. Good boy. Is there anything else, Mur?
Murray, look at this frisbee. Look at the pizza.
Whoa. Look at that.
You touched it.
He touched it. Yep. Whoa. Good job, Mur.
Yeah, you did good.
That's a good boy for your first time in a pet store.
And you didn't get it.
You know?
Look at the tree. That's so funny.
Oh, he's off. I think he sees the birds.
Come on, man. What do you want? You want to see the birds?
He's like, sure, I'd love to see the birds, Molly. Look at those.
Do you need a birdie?
No, we don't need a bird.
Look at the ferret.
He likes the birdies. Wonderful. Good job, Murray. Good boy.
It's time, Murray.
You ready to go?
No,
Let's go bye-bye, Murray. Molly's got him. All right, let's go ring this stuff up for our donation. Go into the register. And we'll be back when we're done. Okay, are we done?
Yep.
We just checked out. She's bagging us up. And Maria did a good job. Good boy.
He gets
We're
a
gonna
treat
go-
after
Yep.
this.
We're gonna go get a kitty chino. See Busta. We'll be back when we get in the car. And we are back in the car. Mr. Murray did what he was supposed to do. Yay! And oh, and now he's pushing his face there. We're gonna go get a kitty chino, right, Murray? You ready for your kitty chino?
It's like a dog.
Yeah, and we're off for the kitty. And Moo, and me. We need some treats too.
Yeah.
Think you want your kitty cup? What is that? That's for being a good boy. Eat the kitty cup. Good boy, Mer.
Look at him.
Oh my goodness, he loves his kitty cup. Good boy.
He's so cute.
Oh. Yep, he got his Starbucks kitty cup. You say bye? Say bye, Mer.
Bye.
Say see you later, everybody. We're home. Murray, we're home. You did good. Yay. Gonna get him out of the car. Oh, I gotta get his. Now we are home. He's used to this. Right, Murray? See? Oh, you feel so much better to be home. Come on, let's go inside. Come on, Murray. You ready to go inside? Let's go. Come on. We're going in the house. You ready to go in? Good boy. Yeah, we're going in. We're at home. Yeah, did you have a good time at Petco? Where did pets go? Go on. Let's go in the house. We'll take off your... There you go. Good boy. Yay. Good job. And we're home. Good job, Murray. And he's done. Awesome job, Mur. Awesome job, Murray.
Okay, guys, I hope you liked my video. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the notification button so you don't miss any of my new